Taking delivery. It's yours. You wrote the check. You arranged financing. Hop in, buckle up, and head straight to the convenience station for a fill-up because you got some serious driving to do. Not so fast. Did you arrange insurance? Do not drive, not even 1 foot. I don't care if you just bought that car from your neighbor right across the street because it'll be just your luck. There'll be a runaway garbage truck coming right down your street and smack right into you, moving it across the street. Get insurance. Also, check the paperwork. Make sure your name is correct. The address is correct. Let me tell you, there is nothing more enjoyable than to stand in line at a state agency to correct an error in the paperwork. You don't want to do that. So make sure everything, and I mean everything, is correct. VIN number, date, what you paid for. Is everything that you agreed to in that document? Has the title been placed in your name? Once again, check the spelling of your name. I know you're excited. You're supposed to be excited. But check everything. Once there's a mistake, it is a bear to correct. And test drive the vehicle one more time before you sign anything. Also, check all fluid levels. Brake fluid, transmission fluid, windshield washer fluid. You don't want to be stuck somewhere and needing windshield washer fluid and wish you had it in it. Remember, once you get on that road, all bets are off. And never take delivery of a used car from a seller without the title. Period. End of conversation. If you don't have the title, you ain't got nothing. Okay? Now, the only exception to that is if you financed. If you finance from a legitimate dealer, the dealer will then process that title and the bank will hold the title and you won't get a copy of it. Now remember, if you sign anything with the words as is, that's it. All bets are off. It's as is and you disclaim all warranties. You give up all your rights. You have no protection whatsoever. Anything that is promised to you by the dealer or the salesman must be in writing. I don't care how nice they were to you. If it's not in writing, it's not a promise. It doesn't exist. It's only a contract, and it's only going to happen if it's in writing. And I don't care how small of an agreement it was. Make sure they put it in writing. Also, check the trunk. Is there a spare tire, and are all the tools there in case you get a flat? Is that special key there to unlock those fancy wheels in the glove box? You get a flat tire, you want to be able to remove those wheels. You need that special tool. Is it in the glove box? Is there an owner's manual available? An owner's manual can run you $45 or more if you don't have one. Do you know what that special switch or button does that you just discovered? Could it be an engine kill switch? Security system? It's very important that you know what these things do, again, before you take delivery. Ask questions. On a final note, make sure all the lights work. Brake lights, turn signals, headlights. A dealer's not going to pay if you get a ticket on the way home for improper equipment. When you look in that rear view mirror and you see those blue lights, that's not a special. That's the cops coming after you because your equipment doesn't work. Do you have a legitimate, valid, legal license plate to drive? And when will you get your permanent license plate? Did you and the dealer agree on when your license plate is going to arrive? Or is that something else that you're going to have to pay for? In other words, is that in writing also? And if your state requires a state inspection, how long is your state inspection good for that's on the car right now? Is it good for 1 week, 1 month, or the remainder of the year? Ask questions, check it out, because that might be an unexpected expense you weren't ready for. If you can, get a copy of the dealer's service record so you know when you need service the next time your vehicle needs it. And if you bought your car from a private owner, ask for their service records. And finally, about 30 days after you get your new used vehicle home, it wouldn't hurt to run another Carfax type report. You see, frequently items kind of pop up after 30 days. Just in case something does pop up, you want to know about it. Good luck and have fun shopping for your next used vehicle. I'm Joe Lascota.